In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reusable template in Canva. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can build once and reuse forever. First, design your layout. Open Canva and create a new design in the size you need, maybe a square social post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. Think of this file as the blueprint you'll return to again and again. Start by blocking out the structure with placeholders. Add a headline text box, a subheading, and a body text area so you know exactly where copy will live. Drop in image frames or simple rectangles to stand in for photos or graphics, and use shapes to mark buttons, badges, or callouts. Keep the colors neutral and the content generic, like "headline goes here," so nothing in your base design locks you into a single campaign. Use Canva's alignment guides to keep spacing consistent and leave comfortable margins. Aim for clear hierarchy, larger type for headlines, smaller for body text, and enough contrast so elements are easy to scan. When it feels balanced, you've got your base. Canva automatically saves as you work, so you don't have to hit save. Still, give this file a clear, searchable name so it's easy to find later. Something like template topic works great. A consistent naming pattern helps you recognize true templates at a glance and avoids mixing them up with finished projects. Next, organize the template so it's always at your fingertips. From the home screen, head to Projects, then Folders. Create a folder called Templates and move your new design into it. Keeping templates in their own folder prevents accidental edits and keeps your workspace tidy. You can move a design by selecting it and choosing Move to Folder, or by opening the folder and adding the file from there. Use whichever feels faster. When you're ready to reuse it, work from the folder, not the original canvas. Go to your Templates folder and open the design. Instead of editing it directly, make a fresh copy. Click the three dots next to the design thumbnail, or open the file and go to File, then make a copy. This creates a duplicate you can freely customize while your master template remains untouched. Now edit the copy. Swap in your images, replace the placeholder text with real content, and adjust colors or accents for the specific project. A quick check that you're editing the copy, not the original, will save you headaches later. That's it. You've built a reusable template, organized it for quick access, and learned how to make copies safely. Repeat this process for other formats, and you'll speed up every future design.